Hi all. In the mini-series Flipping for Profit, some of it sounds so simple, and it is. It doesn't need to cost you an arm and a leg. And there's a number of important areas and things you need to focus on. Again, it does not have to cost an arm and a leg. One of the key areas to focus on is, of course, the master bedroom. The master bedroom needs to give a "this is mine, this is my space" feeling. The number one, if you cannot do anything else, this is the one thing you must do. Crisp, clean, new linen. Fresh linen, fresh throws, beautiful cushions. This will make all the difference. Next to that, of course, I always look at walls and floors. It's a 2-day job. Repaint your walls, repaint the ceiling, and redo your flooring. Doesn't have to cost a lot. Laminate flooring works beautifully if you've got a holiday home, but for a normal bedroom you do want a softer finish like a carpet, which again is quick and easy. Another tip I can give you, a key tip, is to have your window coverings floor to ceiling, giving a beautiful feeling of space by taking it all the way from the bottom all the way to the top. This way rooms feel richer and bigger and more at home with the softer coverings on the windows. When you're completing your master suite, consider a beautiful chaise lounge with cushions, creating a sense of this is a space I would like to also relax in. You have to show off a master suite to your buyer as if this is a place they will want to be tomorrow. Happy investing, happy flipping.